खराब हो गई थी एंड एवरीबडी इज लाइक अब आप क्या खाओगे.
लिरिकल वीडियोस देख के इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है, जब फिल्म में देखेंगे तो क्या ही होने वाला है. सीटें फटने वाली हैं, सीटियां बजने वाली हैं. वेल, नाउ आई लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज द वेरी चार्मिंग, ऑफ कोर्स उनको ये बोला जाता है, बट लेट मी टेल यू, शी इज दिस सुपर hardworking person. She's super passionate about Indian cinema. Give it up for Charmi Kaur ji. You know, subah se she's been after each and every detail. She's looking into each and every detail, and this is how she is. Zordar talia. Chami, congratulations on this. You know, as we said, हम बात कर रहे थे गाने के response की क्या होने वाला है. सीटियां तालियां बज गई. What do you have to say? First things first.
Thank you. Hello Mumbai. Hello everyone. बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि आज जो हमने इतने प्यार से एक पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस की है जिसका नाम है डबल स्मार्ट. 2019 में we were blessed with a huge blockbuster in Telugu और आपकी कृपा है कि आज हम 5 लैंग्वेजेस में इसका सीक्वल डबल स्मार्ट आपके आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं. अगस्त 15 को हमारे साथ में और 3 पिक्चरें आ रही है. सारी पिक्चरें बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो थोड़ा थिएटर के लिए लफड़ा हो रहा है और नॉर्थ इंडिया में, लेकिन दैट आई विल लीव इट टू द एक्सपर्ट्स अनिल धड़ानी जी एंड दुग्गल जी. दे विल हेल्प अस do justice, and I hope we have a good run in North India also. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Just one quick question. You know, Puri sir, of course, he's a creative genius, but producer bhi to hai. So how many times do you have to like remind him of his producer wala duties ki please thoda thambo.
Honestly, Mr. Puri Jagannath, he deals with alphabets and I deal with numbers. So we do not enter each other's zone at all. Even though he is well aware of everything, he is fantastic. He's a producer's director. But we have our own departments, and he's just amazing in what he does. I'm so thankful that he gives us that space.
Lovely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now I'd like to invite on stage the leading lady of this film, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Tamil ho, Telugu ho, ya phir Hindi ho. इन्होंने वो सारी projects में काम किया है, and she's killed it every single time. Kavya Thapar, ladies and gentlemen. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए उनके लिए. Welcome, Kavya.
Thank you.
So good to see you, and you're looking as ravishing as ever, I would say.
Thank you. Shout out to my team for that.
Being here, standing over here, right in front of this team, when Baba is here, Ustad is here, you know, working with them on this project that's really close to Puri sir's heart and of course Charmi ma'am's heart. What do you have to say? Puri journey ke bare mein.
First of all, hello Mumbai. This is the first ever Telugu film that I'm promoting in my hometown. So I'm feeling very, very blessed at this moment. Secondly, I think I am currently, मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस वक्त तो मैं एक सपने में हूँ, जो सपना मैंने बचपन से मैं देखती आई हूँ. तो पहली बात तो एज एंड व्हेन आई ग्रू अप मैंने संजय सर की इतनी सारी फिल्म्स देखी, तो टू से द लीस्ट व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट हिम आई वाज ब्लैंक, और उनका सिर्फ एक गाना मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था, वो रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया. तो जब मैंने उनको देखा मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा था, मैं और कुछ आया ही नहीं. आई वाज सो dumbfounded at that moment. तो डेफिनेटली मैं उनके साथ मैंने स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर किया. I'm trembling while saying this because it's such a huge dream for me that I am living currently. And thank you Sanjay sir, you were a blessing, and हमने पंजाबी में बात की and he made me very comfortable. So thank you, and it is definitely a blessing कि मैंने आपके साथ screen space share किया. Secondly, Ram, you are by far, I'm saying this out and loud, by far the best co-star I've worked with.
Wow.
And I have found a great friend in you. And thank you for everything. No, वही बोला.
क्या लफड़ा भाई.
हे राम. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट नहीं, जेन्युइनली को-स्टार के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग ऑन सेट जो होती है, बट वो इतना केयरिंग को-स्टार है कि ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मार मंथा मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब हो गई थी, एंड एवरीबडी इज लाइक अब आप क्या खाओगे, बिकॉज इट वाज अ स्टमक इन्फेक्शन. सो मैंने सिर्फ बोला स्पिनच सूप, एंड दैट डे इटसेल्फ, और आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने अपनी मम्मा से होम मेड स्पिनच सूप बनवाया मेरे लिए, and I'll forever be grateful for that. I think such little things show the kind of a person he is, and he's hilarious also as a person. So thank you for being you. All the best, and hope we work a lot in the future. Now I'm going to get a little emotional because I'm going to speak of Charmi, ma'am. She is truly, truly a boss lady and an inspirational woman. And I have hats off to you. आपके चरण स्पर्श करना चाहे. She should be the Charan Sparsh Charmi. That's what she is, because I really, really look up to her. She is a go-getter and she will do anything for her work, and that's an inspiration for me. And not only that, she's an extremely nurturing, caring, loving person. And I know, again, same day when I was sick, how she took care of me, I can never forget. Usually I always say कि I'm a director's actor, but I am a producer's actor too now. I want to be at least.
Thank you.
So thank you for always doing everything for me. I love you. Puri sir! This is the biggest feather on my hat in my career journey to be a Puri Jagannath heroine standing here today. Thank you, sir, for seeing Jannat in me and giving me an opportunity to be double smart. Just a small story. I had auditioned for Smart Shankar, but at that time things didn't work out because double smart had to happen to me. And thank you. Thank you for giving me this double power pack, mass masala, entertaining film. Thank you, sir. Love you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं एक बार. As you said, double dhamaka,
Mass,
masala.
mental, masala, double action, double comedy,
Mass,
double
mental.
romance.